Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Expedia affiliate program. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Expedia affiliate program, then open the first link. Now you can see join now, click on it. Now you are prompted to enter your email, then click on continue. Now you need to confirm the email with the 6-digit code and then click on continue. Now you need to create a password and then press on create password. Now you need to input your full name, first name and last name. Now you need to put your contact number. Now you need to select your platform, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, anything. For example, let's say Instagram. Now you need to put your Instagram URL here. Now you need to input your business info. Now you need to check all these boxes and then press on submit. Now you have successfully joined Expedia Group affiliate program, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.